Are you looking to meal prep an easy, vegan, delicious recipe that is not only filling but can be made under 45 minutes and is packed with all the goodness that your body needs? Well, look no further because in this video, you will learn how to make vegan stuffed bell peppers with simple whole foods and ingredients that can support your weight loss efforts and that you can feel really good about. Hi, I'm Vula, and I help women lose weight without the restrictive diets. Now, this is a perfect fall recipe that can be batch cooked and easily fit into your menu planning. For the week, consider making 2 pans, so one batch can be frozen for another time. Now, this recipe is completely vegan and has almost the same amount of protein that is found in a serving of chicken or meat. You can feel good about serving this to your family because there is no saturated fat. There is plenty of fiber and a variety of vegetables to keep you full and satisfied. And best of all, the taste is out of this world. Now, let's see how it's done. Wow, what an amazing dish! That is easy to make and perfect for the colder weather ahead. Now press that like button if you feel this is a recipe you would be willing to try today. Remember, meal plan, prepping, and cooking do not have to be boring tasks. It can actually be exciting. So with this recipe, let's start with fresh veggies from the garden or from the farmer's market and create a meal that's not only healthy, but that your whole family is sure to enjoy. Eating wholesome whole foods is the key to balance, good health, and a comfortable weight. Take charge of your meals by trying this recipe today. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you're looking for inspiration for delicious, good for you recipes for the work week, consider grabbing my ebook, 5 Days of Easy Cool Dinners. The link is in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can continue seeing great recipes like these.